Want to see better while driving in the rain? DP glass coating provides a strong layer of defense to repel water, ice, snow, and sleet from treated glass surfaces that will last up to 1 year with proper maintenance. Enhanced water beading capabilities creates a safer driving experience, especially during inclement weather. DP glass coating is ceramic-based and provides long-lasting protection after just one application. For best results when applying DP glass coating, thoroughly clean glass with DP 2020 Vision Glass Cleaner and prep the surface using DP Coating Prep Polish or DP Coating Prep Spray. Be sure to work on a cool surface out of direct sunlight. Spray DP glass coating directly onto the glass and spread evenly across using a coating applicator. Allow it to set on the glass for approximately 30 seconds before removing excess product with a clean lint-free microfiber towel. Do not expose to moisture for 12 hours. It repels water, ice, snow, and sleet, gives ceramic-based protection, and easy to apply with long-lasting results. DP Detailing Products, exceptional car care products for the professional, enthusiast, and everyday driver.